Hi, my beautiful people. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm back with another video. This time I will be doing a roller set and we'll just be touching up her roots. We're not going to style her hair all the way, but I mean like with the heat, So I'm going to apply a little bit of setting lotion in her hair, and it is diluted, half water, half setting lotion, but I don't want to put too much so that her hair doesn't get oily or heavy. And even though she has a thick hair, I could tell it gets oily pretty fast, so I want to make sure that I don't put a lot of setting lotion on it. But I have a story for you guys. So once I roller set my client, put her in the dryer, we have a couple of other clients that are there, and all of a sudden I'm in the suite, so I see the other barbershop guys just bringing a fire extinguisher and spraying, and I see smoke coming. So I'm like, oh my god, what's going on? So I evacuate everybody. We go outside, and then I realized actually right by my door, by the hallway, there was an outlet that caught on fire. So we were able to evacuate everybody. It was fine, but immediately I was like, all right, what is it that I need to do? Because my clients are not leaving without their hair being done. So I look around and I was like, oh shoot, there is a Walmart right in the same shopping center, and they have a salon in there. So I walk over there and I was like, hey, listen, this happened over there. I need a dryer. Can I please use your dryer? And one of the guys was like, hey, the owner or whoever in charge is not here, but I'll take the risk, so you can bring your client. I was like, all right, say less. So I was out while I'm still at Walmart. I called my assistant to bring my client. She brought her in and put her in the dryer. I had her stay there with her so that she's good as I figure out what my next move's gonna be, because I still have more clients and I need to make sure that everybody's taken care of. So I call one of my girls, and she has sweets, and so she was like, hey, the spot is empty, go ahead and take care of your people. I ran over there and I had my clients follow me, grabbed all my stuff, packed up everything. We went to the next spot, and right here actually a lady stopped us asking where the rollers were from, and I had to give her my information real quick. So anyway, so I took them to the next spot. When I tell you guys, I am so blessed with everybody that really comes across my salon and all my clients. Everybody was so calm and collected and just making sure that I was okay. It was just one of those days that you realize that you're just, you're blessed, because in my head, I'm trying to make sure that they're good and they don't get mad at me or anything. Not that they would, but that's just my intuition. I just want to make sure everybody's good. But everybody that was there really was amazing and such a big help, and everybody was so calm, and actually everybody thought this was funny, and yeah. So then we go to the next spot, and there's no hot water, guys. There was no hot water, and I still have to wash a client. So my client was like, I'm good. And so my assistant took care of her. I mean, anything that could go wrong went wrong, but at the same time, everything was the way it's supposed to. It worked out the way it's supposed to, and I am so appreciative of everybody. I'm so blessed, honestly, to be able to do what I love and actually have people around me that are so encouraging and caring, and just, this really makes me realize why I love what I do. I have so many amazing people around me, and I'm so thankful for everybody, honestly. This is the kind of relationship that I hoped for when I became a hairstylist. I wanted to have, that family feel. I wanted to have a good relationship with my clients, not just them coming to get their hair done and just be gone, but really be able to show up when needed, And every one of my clients been with me over 10 years plus, and most of my clients, and I do have new clients as well, but every one of them has been so kind, and I just love what I do because of that. And this industry has taught me a lot, and this day was one for the books, definitely. And it's just, we were able to laugh about it and just go through the day, and it's because of the type of people I had around me. From my client with the rollers, from I had a client that was a teenager who her dad brought her, but he was such a big help. The space didn't have Wi-Fi at the time, or I didn't know how to work it, and he was able to bring a Wi-Fi box that he had in his truck. He came, so ready. I don't even know how that happened. It was just one of those amazing days, and that made me realize that, I have to be thankful for everything, and anything can change in any second, and nothing is promised, but we just have to make it work and stay positive and go through the day and know that God would take care of it, and he did. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know I was talking a lot, and I'm not a storyteller, but I just thought I should share this, and yeah. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment if you guys have any questions and anything you guys want to see. I really appreciate your comments and your view and all your kind words. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you all. Ciao.